In this video I show you how to use a book in the online Bible app. As an example, we'll use the Android app. To start, we'll install a book from the store into the app. To open the store, select the overview of books, which are already available on your device. Scroll down and click on Store. The store opens in the language of your device. Scroll through it. Stop at the book, What is the Bible, by Global Rize. Tapping the download button will install the book from the store to your device. Close the information screen of the book and leave the store in the same way. Return to the list of already installed books and scroll down until you find the book, What is the Bible? Tap the title of the book and the book opens at its title page. You can enlarge the screen to bring more text from the book into view. Tap on the book icon to get the content overview. Now you can select the desired chapter. You can scroll through the text of this chapter. The reference text also opens in a pop-up. Tap the verse in the pop-up, and the verse will open in its full context in the Bible screen. You can tap a Strong's number. The lexicon opens in a pop-up window for more information. Learn more about the online Bible apps on our website.